Hi there, Bill Wilder, Lifecycle Engineering. The Reliability Excellence Assessment Model is a framework to help organizations achieve a culture of reliability. And this framework has 29 elements built into 5 levels. The first level is the principles level. And at this level, we engage leadership and we build teams to define a future state. So we look at our current state, we define a future state, we establish what needs to change, why it needs to change, and what is the risk or the opportunity to the organization to make that change. So once those principles and those guiding principles are in place, the second level is the culture. So now we want to begin to engage people and get them motivated to achieve this change. So this involves bringing people together, having a shared vision and purpose of this future state and communicating that through the organization and having everybody thinking in the same way. So once we get the culture and principles in place, then we have to move to establishing the standard work, the processes, the procedures. So now we're going through and we're breaking down how things are done today, how things need to be done in the future, and what are the benefits of that, and creating these standard processes and procedures. Well, once those are in place and we begin to implement those, we begin to implement the PDCA cycle, right? We begin to think about, well, how can we make this one a little bit better? We begin to optimize. And so level 4 is optimization. And through a series of audits and managing what we've got and measurement systems, we begin to optimize. And ultimately leads to the 5th and final level, which is sustainment and reinforcement. And we do this through metrics and through recognition and by putting the systems and structure in place that reinforce this continuous improvement on this journey to a culture of reliability. And while you're here on the site, why don't you take a look, because our decades of experience using this model, we've amassed quite a wealth of resources. So if you just click through on any one of those elements, you can see the articles, the white papers, the videos, etc. that can support you on your journey to a culture of reliability.